Hi guys, in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss how to install JetBrains Rider on Ubuntu 26.04 operating system. To download the software in Google search box, write there JetBrains Rider, then go on this jetbrains.com site. Then after here, you can get this new page, the world most loved .NET and game developer ID. Let's click on this download button. This here you can use Windows, Mac and Linux. So let's click on this download Linux selected tar.gz file. Click on this. So here, thank you for downloading. So file is now currently downloading. The total size is 2 GB. Now if I go into this terminal and if I write there .NET -- version. So you can see .NET version 10.0107 that already installed. So .NET must be installed there, then you can use this JetBrains Rider. So here you can see the status. This will take some time to complete this download. JetBrains Rider this downloaded. Let's click on this join folder. This here, right click this, then click on this extract. So this here currently preparing to extract the files. This here extracting JetBrains Rider 2026 and this here. So 2.1 that's done. Simply you need to click on this JetBrains Rider extracted files. There you need to go on this bin and this all you can get there. So here you can see Rider. That's so you need to click this. Double click on this Rider and wait for few second times. So this now you can see Rider 2026.1 is now opening inside the Ubuntu 20.26 operating system. You can import this. Let's click on this escape currently. You can use the theme. So default that's fine. Continue. And this here plugins, if you want the cap, install this JetBrains AI Assistant, this, or you can do this later. So I will do this later. And this here you can see you need to click on this new solution. So new solution, if already have project, then you can go on this open or clone repository. So this here currently this is now opening. Now here console app that's selected you can do here or class web, this all you can do. So console app and here you can see .NET automatically this is detected .NET 10 SDK. This all looking fine. Simply you need to click on this create. So click on this create and there the new solution is creating. You need to wait for few second times. Do this AI. I will do this later. And this here. So let's click on this console app. And here you can see program.cs. So these are program that's going to run here. Console.writeline to print the hello world. So this is loading and so that here green button is currently disabled. So if that enabled then you can run. So here you can see recovering editor. So this is doing the first time. So this is now taking some times. Now green button this enable, click on this to run this. processing this all here, or this is hello world that's so displaying. Because so console.writeline is used to print the hello world. Let's use their dot 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 and save this. And again, if you run, so this is here, or dot 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 console dot world dot dot this display. So this is the most simplest way we can here install JetBrains Rider on Ubuntu 26.04 operating system. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.